Hi guys, welcome to the Tron session. So, familiar chart, if you're new to this, these are the areas that I'll focus on talking about, and they're based on two key concepts. Also, as usual, disclaimer, this is for education and research purpose only, not financial advice. So let's take a look at Tron. So, short-term playground zone, the pink box. We have been, or Tron has been trading within this range for around 2 months. So right now it's still staying within this zone, this trading range, and the volume obviously has shrunk quite a bit compared to what we had over here just 2-3 weeks ago. So basically in the daily chart, there isn't much surprise over here. So it may, if there's no particular bad news or good news, it may still trade sideways within this zone for a while. But in terms of Wyckoff, what it's telling us. So for Tron, there was a pretty, I won't say big, a relatively higher price level reached in 2018 compared to what we had in 2021. And if we look at what we have now, this is actually the highest cycle so far for Tron. And basically we are at a stage where we already had our first sign of weakness, and it seems it's still testing the low around this level. So the yellow line is the support level set by the sign of weakness over here. The purple line is the resistance line set by the automatic reaction. So we see the past 3 weeks, including this week is 4 weeks, the price of Tron has been trading between this narrow range, between the purple and yellow lines. And if it failed to defend this line, this yellow line, the next would be at around this level, roughly 20 cents or 21 cents. So there's some overlap price activity over here, so there should be a little bit more support, and that's also roughly where it got bounced back early this week when it poked through this line. So let me take it out and see what happens, because it's an interim support, but it's probably not very solid. I'd say this range would be even more solid. So this level around 16 cents would be an even stronger support. So that's how it looks like for Tron at the moment. Obviously in terms of Wyckoff, how it develops, there can be 2 ways. I'll say simple ways. One is it bounces back and then there will be a second test, or if it go even higher than the buying climax and up first, and then returns back to the long-term playground zone. That's scenario 1. Another way is, there isn't really much demand and the macro sentiment is really bad. It can slowly die down with a little bit of bounce and comes back to the long-term playground zone. That's scenario 2. Or if nothing changed, like I mentioned just now, it can trade sideways, and then wait for some good news or bad news to happen before it reach its other levels. So in terms of accumulation cycle, starting from here all the way to where it really started climbing, it was 406 days, so roughly over a year, roughly 5 quarters. And then it started this long term surge. So basically all these weeks we're trading roughly above this trend line. Let me move it over here. Yeah, roughly like that. So that's for Tron.